Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch to a personal Instagram account. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open Instagram, and here from our profile we need to click on the three lines in the top right corner and go to settings and activity. Now scroll down a little bit until you will find creator tools and controls, so click on it. And now we will have here a bunch of options. Scroll down to the end until you will see switch account type and click on it. And now simply choose switch to personal account and basically confirm the action clicking on the switch to personal account once again. And now you will have the personal account. As you can see now, if you refresh, all the professional tools are gone, and now you have a default personal account on Instagram. And that is basically it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.